Hello there, and welcome to today's class, day 4 of our chair yoga series. Today will be a 10-minute upper body stretch. So find a comfortable, sturdy seat in a chair that doesn't have wheels and preferably doesn't have sides. You might place a yoga mat underneath your chair for some extra grip for your feet. If your feet don't quite reach the ground while you're seated, you can take some yoga blocks and place them underneath your feet. And when you're ready, we'll go ahead and get started with our upper body stretch. Sitting up nice and tall, feel your feet firmly planted on the ground or on your blocks. Let your hands rest on your legs. Maybe close your eyes and start to tune inwards. Start to notice your breath. Notice how you feel physically. Notice how you're feeling mentally and emotionally today as well. Just noticing what comes up without judgment. On your next inhale, take the deepest breath you've taken all day. And exhale out through your mouth. And blink your eyes back open. We'll start with a seated cat-cow. So maybe coming a little forward on your chair, keeping your hands on your legs. Inhale, open up through your chest. And exhale, round through your spine. And drop your chin to your chest. Inhale. And exhale. And moving with your own breath. And take one more inhale and exhale. And make your way back up to center. Next inhale, reach your arms up overhead. And exhale, twist your torso to the left. And let your hands drop right where your torso naturally stops. Your right hand can come across to your left leg, and your left hand can come to the base or top of the chair, whichever is more comfortable. And take a deep breath in and out. And then release back to center. And other side, inhale, your arms reach up. Exhale, twist to the right. Left hand comes to your right leg, and right hand comes behind you, either to the base or top of the chair. And take a couple breaths. And release back to center. Gently dip your left ear down to your left shoulder. And maybe grab the side of your chair with your right hand. And then gently dip your chin down towards your chest. And over to the right. Right ear to right shoulder. Maybe you take your left hand to the side of your chair now. And then dip your chin back down towards your chest and stay here, breathing into the back of your neck. And then take gentle half circles, one way and then the other. And eventually making your way back upright. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, lower your left hand and reach up and over to the left. Left hand comes to the side of your chair or across to your right leg. And reach back up. Next inhale, arms reach up and over to the right. Right arm comes down to your chair or your leg. And reach back up to center. And one last time, inhale your arms up. This time, circle your arms around to the back or sides of your chair and open up through your chest. And one more breath here. And then release back to center. End with a couple of cat-cows. Inhale, open up through your chest. And exhale, round through your spine. And then meeting back in center. From here, we'll take a minute or two in Savasana, just taking a little rest. Feel free to find a more comfortable seat on a chair or couch. You can stay right where you're at, sitting back, stretching your legs out long, and dipping your chin towards your chest. Then closing your eyes and settling in. Feel free to stay here for as long as you'd like. I'll let you know when it's time for us to move again, and then you can join me or stay right where you are. Inhale in and out. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. And start to move your body. Eventually making your way back up to your seat. Take a moment to notice how you feel and come back to your breath. When you're ready, take a deep breath in and out, and blink your eyes back open. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to check out the rest of the videos in this series, be sure to check the description box below for more info. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see more videos just like this. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day.